Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Samina Fatma, roll number 2K19, B.Ed SC 41 from B.Ed 2.5 third semester, subject Basic English Grammar. My presentation topic is punctuation. Punctuation. The use of special symbols that you add to writing to separate phrase and sentences to show that something is a question, etc. Punctuation allows the author writing to be easy to read and understandable for the reader. Definitions. The act of punctuating, the state of being punctuated, the act or practice of inserting standardized marks or sign in the written matter to clarify the meaning and separate structural units. Something that contrasts and accentuates. Examples. These are capital letters, a period and the sentence. Here's a comma, but have you seen a question mark? Exclamation points are exciting. These are quotation marks, I said. Types. Period. Rule for using this. Use at the end of a complete sentence. Example. I went to the store for groceries. Rule. Use at the end of an indirect question. Example. He asked where the milk was, comma. Rule. Use a comma to separate word or item in a list. Example. She has 2 dogs, 3 cats, 1 bird and 5 fish in her house. Rule. Use a comma to separate a city from its state. Example. I am from East Lansing, Michigan. Rule. Use a comma to separate the day of the month from the year. Example. He was born on August 4, 1990. Rule. Use a comma to separate two adjectives describing word when the word and can be interrupted between them. Example. She was a young beautiful dog. Question mark. Rule. Use a question mark only after a direct question. Example. Will you come over after school? Exclamation point. Use exclamation point to show emphasis or excitement. Example. Summer is in the 3 months. Quotation marks. Rule. Use quotation marks to set off a direct quotation. Example. What is your favorite color? She asked. Colon. Rule. Use colon after a complete sentence to introduce a list of items. Example. On my trip, I'll bring clothes, a pillow, a sleeping bag, a toothbrush, and my teddy bear. Rule. Use the colon after the greeting of the person's name in a business letter. Example. Dear Mr. Smith. Parenthesis. Use parenthesis to enclose words or figures that clarify or are used as an aside. Example. He received 150 points on his math project. Apostrophe. Use the apostrophe when combining two words. It is always placed in the spot where the letter S have been removed. Example. She is only allowed candy on Friday. Use the apostrophe to show possession. Place the apostrophe before the S. Example. They found Mr. Connor's gloves. Thank you.